The new legislation to have tougher penalties for illegal guns has finally been tabled in the House of Representatives. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the new bill will address several challenges, including the proliferation of illegal guns.
But importantly, to increase the applicable penalties for breaches of provisions of the Act relating to prohibited weapons. As such, the bill introduces harsher penalties for offences connected to the illicit trade, manufacture, stockpiling, possession and use of illegal guns.
Dr. Chang adds that Clause 19 of the bill allows the Portfolio Minister to declare a gun amnesty.
Illegal firearms. I think the term illegal may be inappropriate, but unregistered firearms. At this point, to surrender these firearms and ammunition to the state without prosecution for a short period before the full impact of this bill is initiated. As the government advances our trust to get every legal gun, it is our intention to provide citizens with an opportunity to surrender the unregistered guns as soon as this new bill is signed into law.
Now, Opposition Leader Mark Golding welcomed the new legislation and was pleased it would be referred to a joint select committee. The committee is scheduled to hold its first meeting next week.
Let us not rush it too much. Let us make sure it's done thoroughly, but do it with due expedition. So at the end of the day, when we enact this bill into law, it is a solid piece of legislation that will send the right signals to the country, especially to those who currently feel that they can get away with murder, shooting with impunity.